Welcome. If you're looking to delete your Instagram Reels directly from your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update, managing your content from your desktop has become easier than ever. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the process of deleting your Reels using Instagram's web version. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to Instagram.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on the one labeled Menu. It's usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a grid icon. After clicking on the menu, you'll see a list of options pop up. Find and select your activity. This section is where Instagram keeps a record of everything you've done on your account, including posts, comments, and of course, your Reels. Now, inside the Your Activity section, scroll down until you find the Photos and Videos area. Under this, there's a specific option for Reels. Click on Reels to view all the short videos you've posted. To start deleting, look for the Select button, usually at the top right of the Reels section. Click on it, and you'll be able to choose the Reels you want to remove. You can select one, several, or even all of them, depending on what you want to clear out. Once you've made your selections, a Delete button will appear. Click on Delete, and Instagram will ask you to confirm your choice. Make sure you really want to remove these Reels, as this action can't be undone. Confirm your decision, and just like that, your selected Reels will be permanently deleted from your profile. That's it. You've successfully managed your Instagram Reels from your PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.